This video to see how I'm going to transform and really change this camper van and make it mine. And welcome to Moon Dancer 1. So please come inside and have a look. Here above the fridge, I've got a drawer for all my cutlery. And then just a safety catch that the door doesn't fly open when you go around corners. Next to the fridge, I added this little narrow drawer. Comes in very handy. My spices, herbs, and cutting board at the bottom. And that has got a self-locking system on it, so if I push it closed, that won't just go open when I go around corners. I've got my cushions back, all new foam, new material, and with that blue piping, it just looks stunning. It goes with the blue of the van. Added the two USB ports here in front as well, so you can charge your phone here in front while you're driving. There's a cigarette lighter that's at the back on the driver's side, and here's another one on the passenger side at the back by the bedroom. And these are fitted, being multiple purpose. You can plug in spotlights or USB chargers. Here in the front panel, I've got another cigarette lighter here that runs on its own fuse, and that can be for high power spotlight and or otherwise for my compressor. And then on the inside of this cupboard, I've got the fuse box that is just for the camper side, and it's separate fuses for lights, the water pump, and lights being left hand side, right hand side, outdoor light. One feature that I added was having lights in the cupboards, and they switch on and off on demand. When you open the cupboard, the light goes on. Because I find with these cupboards all over, even in daylight, they're pretty dark inside, so having this feature, it just works and it helps to see what you're looking for. The switch panel that I've got here is one light for a bedroom light at the back. The next one is kitchen light. The third one is for just to override the cupboard lights. Then I've got my mood lights, that's all working now. And then the last switch is a switch for the outside lights, a yellow light and a white light. In my mood lights, I've got a remote control that I can change the color and and also dim if I need the lights to be dimmer, especially when I get up early in the morning and you switch the normal lights on, it's a little bit bright. So yeah, mood lights on and off. And over here I've got just a bright light for the toilet and shower area, and then I've got a very, very dim light also that I can leave on at night, or late at night you can just use this that it won't blind you. Then I've got lights in these cupboards as well that I've just put on a switch. And this here is a readout for the camper side battery, and I can switch it over and that will be the cab battery that I can check the voltage at any time. Yeah, the lights that I've got up front, that I can also change to different colors on each side. They on different channels, or I can also do them individual in flashing different colors. Depends on what mood I'm in. There you go with the blinds rolled up. And yeah, sorry about that effect in the back window. That is from the sticker. That is blinds rolled down. I finally decided what I wanted here in the shower. So I've added a cut-off valve here on the side. Just mounted that yesterday, so I've still got to paint it and finish it off. But it's got a clip-on fitting at the bottom that I can clip that coil hose to. And the rose in the front, it's got a lever trigger to open and close, and it's also got an adjustable knob at the back that you can adjust the water flow. At the moment that pipe is very long. I can put it through the window, can have a shower outside, can put it through the front door and it have a shower on that side. So I've just got to cut the pipe short to whatever length I eventually want to have it. Yeah, just pass it through the window there, have a shower outside. And I've tinted all the windows, as you can see there, where I've opened the window a little bit without the tint and with the tint. The back window I didn't tint because it's got the stick on the outside with my logo on it, that I didn't need to tint. And then yeah, all the other windows are tinted. you enjoyed this video. Now that you've seen the inside, all colourful and colourful on the outside, and like I did mention right in the beginning of the video, from the first video I did, make it mine, and I did. I love it. Please subscribe and hit the like button, and see you in my next video. Cheers.